Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to find penny stocks on Robinhood. Penny stocks are generally stocks that trade below $5 per share. They are popular among traders because they can experience large price swings in a short period of time. However, they are also much riskier than larger, more established companies. Robinhood only supports penny stocks that are listed on major exchanges and does not support over-the-counter or OTC stocks. Before trading penny stocks, remember that they can be extremely volatile. Never invest money you can't afford to lose, and always have a trading plan before entering a position. Now let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app and sign into your account. Tap the search icon. Now, search for companies or browse sectors that interest you. Open a stock's details page, then check the current share price to see if it trades below $5. Review the company's price chart. Switch between different time frames to study the stock's recent performance. Pay attention to trading volume. Higher trading volume often means there is more buying and selling activity, which can make it easier to enter and exit trades. Review the company's market capitalization, recent news, earnings reports, and business description. Look for stocks with recent news or strong trading momentum instead of choosing stocks based only on their low price. Use technical indicators such as moving averages, RSI, or MACD if they're available in your preferred charting platform to help identify trends and possible entry points. Create a watch list by tapping the plus icon. Add several penny stocks so you can compare their price action throughout the day. Continue monitoring your watch list for unusual price movement, increased volume, or important company announcements. Before buying any penny stock, decide your entry price, profit target, and stop-loss level. Avoid chasing stocks that have already made extremely large moves unless they still fit your trading strategy. Remember that penny stocks are generally better suited for short-term trading than long-term investing because they can rise or fall very quickly. Always manage your risk by investing only a small portion of your portfolio in highly volatile stocks and never rely solely on social media hype or rumors when making trading decisions. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.